Hi everyone. So today's video is regarding different kinds of job roles that are available for law graduates. Here lot of people asked is how to apply for different legal jobs in different sectors and industries like IT or corporate, or for banking sectors, or for insurance, or for other real estate sectors. So let us see in this video what kinds of job roles are available for the law students, and if they wanted to go for a non-litigation, what is the source and what is the aspect to go through this. So let us see in detail in this video. So what you will learn in this video is regarding resume and CV. See, actually these two terms are entirely different because a lot of people have confusion thinking this as a similar kind of thing, but no. Resume is which is a one page document, whereas CV, curriculum vitae, is a lengthy form of your resume. So to go in detail, your resume consists of your work history, your skills, and regarding your education, but whereas your CV will be consisting of a research, your publications, your achievements, your certificate, and more of your work experience in an elaborate way. So, and today we'll also learn about few job portals, for example, that you can apply your legal jobs from these portals. And you'll also learn today regarding industries and types of jobs, and what to learn or how to prepare for the interviews, and the last thing to do after you complete your interview. So watch this video till end to understand in a better way. So about your resume or CV, always before making your resume, you should have an idea of for which job are you exactly looking for, and make sure that you are eligible or your application should fit the exact CV or resume. So make sure that your resume or your updated CV should always be in a refresh, that means in a updated mode in all these websites like Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, freshers.com, Internshella, Path Legal, law jobs. And for government jobs, if you want to look for different kinds of government jobs in legal sector, you can visit Indian government jobs portal, so where you can find all kinds of different government jobs also, and there are many other more websites for you to go through the entire job portal description. So just give a search. So in your resume you need to add your experience, your skills, your qualification, and your personal details. So mostly your personal details should consist of your full name, your date of birth, your email, your contact number, and your current location. So this is about your resume or CV. So in another video, we'll make a still more detail of how to make your resume or how to make your CV. So going to the next topic, there are different kinds of jobs which are available for a lawyer and a non-lawyer. So if you are practicing and if you want to choose any of the government sector, these are the following things. You have the source and you have the options to choose. So right now, as we are discussing about mostly regarding IT sector and other sectors, so for a non-litigation, those who don't want to go for a litigation, you can apply for different kinds of firms as a litigation support, as some legal secretary, you can work as paralegal, and many more. So coming to the industries, there are wider scope relating to legal jobs in these industries. So the first one is mostly everyone are searching for nowadays, IT or some corporate sector. So other than that, there are few more industries in which you have lot of legal jobs applied and applicable. So there are industries like retail, banking and finance, healthcare, and real estate. So these are also a wide range of area of scope where you can apply for different kinds of legal roles and jobs. So, overall, I just wanted to tell you what are the subjects you need to know if you want to apply for a non litigation. That means these are the core subjects which everyone should know if you are willing to work as under different kinds of roles, like some legal manager for some company, or some due diligence and compliance manager for some other company. So most of you should know these acts, because during the interview the questions will be related to most of these acts only, and before going to the interview you should definitely refer and see the roles and responsibilities and the qualifications they are asking for in the job description. So mostly the acts which you have to be familiar with is Indian Contract Act, Companies Act, Information Technology, Intellectual Property Rights. This intellectual property is quite a big one, so we'll cover it in the upcoming videos. And RERA for real estate, and Transfer of Property Act, and Registrations Act, Stamps Act, Alternative Dispute Resolution, SEBI, DRT Act. So relating to your roles, these acts you need to know. So after seeing the job description, you will come across the thing that okay, you have to know certain types of subjects to apply for this job. So most of the questions also will be from this only. But in general, what are the core areas that you have to learn is contract drafting. So one who want to apply for non-litigation should be aware of contract drafting. And few are companies where they provide reviewing part, which is called redlining or reviewing or commenting, basing on some different kinds of legal tools which are used in commercial contracts drafting. So you should be familiar with such tools like relativity and some other tools which such a specific company uses. So you have to know regarding property laws, due diligence and compliance, the risk management, and different types of agreements and deeds. So all core areas and subject which you have to learn while applying for a law corporate IT jobs are this. So this is the overall view. So coming to the next one regarding interview. So once you get a email to attend the interview, either virtually or manually, so what you have to do is go through the entire company analysis. So if you are applying for a company A, you have to know the history of that company and what exact work is that company doing and where do you fit in that company regarding this role. So you have to know the details of the company in detail, and always be ready with your resume or CV, the updated one. You have to carry your confirmation email to attend the interview, and always have dress code, be in formals, so be on time. And during the interview process, always maintain self confidence and positivity. So most of the questions will be about yourself, so you should be ready to answer any sort of question regarding yourself. For example, like what is your work experience, what are your strengths, what is your weakness, so how do you think that you can handle this role, how many team members did you handle as of now. So there are certain questions regarding you, so you should be well prepared. So regarding dress code, you should always wear formals. So always select some formal colors between gray, dark brown, navy blue to look more official, and be confident and strong enough in your attire. So if suppose the interviewer has mentioned some any kind of specific dress code, do go in that specific attire to the interview. And the last thing which you have to remember is after your interview, after the days are passing, never forget that you should always ask the interviewer either by phone or either by email that what is the status of your application. So sometimes what happens is during the interview people find some questions whether are you are really interested to this job or not. So when you remind them regarding the status of your interview and get to know how you have done, so it gives an impact to the interviewer whereby they can understand that you are really into this job. So do not forget to remind or ask them regarding your status of the interview you have given or attended. So hope you like this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.